It can be difficult to deal with a new diagnosis and learn how to inject oneself if you are an unfamiliar individual who has been administered Ozempic semaglutide injection. The positive aspect is that Ozempic injections are simple to use, and after a few attempts, they will become second nature. So if you don't know how to administer Ozempic, just follow the video through to the conclusion, and you'll be prepared for your first injection. How to manage the Ozempic. Ozempic should be injected into the fatty tissue under the surface of the skin once a week on the same day, in quantity recommended by your doctor. We will walk you through the process. Step 1 is, get your Ozempic pen ready. Prepare your alcohol swab and Ozempic pen. Put a pen needle on the Ozempic pen after removing the cap. The company advises testing the pen's flow if it's your initial attempt at using an Ozempic pen. Turn the dose selection clockwise until you're able to see an image of 2 spots and a line, which represents a needle having 2 drops of fluid coming out, and then stop rotating. This will test the flow. Use your index finger to press the plunger's button on the pen's back while holding it upright with the needle pointed upward. By doing so, you can release a small amount of liquid through the tip of the needle and return the dose selection dial to 0. The fluid flow test was successful if a small amount or 2 of liquid emerged from the end of the needle at the top. Try the test again and again if you can't get any liquid to come out. However, if the issue remains, change the pen tip and give it another go. You can start writing if the flow test is effective and you get 1 or 2 drops of liquid from the pen. Cover your pen and prepare your skin by grabbing an alcohol swab. 2. The next step is to dial in the appropriate Ozempic dosage. To choose the appropriate milligrams, dose that your doctor prescribed, turn the dose selection dial clockwise. If you mistakenly turn the dial too many times, don't worry, you can turn it back by turning the dial in the other direction until the tiny arrow located on the right of the window points to the dose you're about to take. 3. The third step is to choose a decent location on your body and set up the target for the shot. It is best to pick an area of your physique with more fat, such as your tummy, upper thighs, or upper arms. To prevent wrinkling or other skin responses, do not inject Ozempic into the same area every week. Use the alcohol-soaked swab you made earlier to briefly rub the location on your skin to prepare it. 4. The fourth step, injecting Ozempic, is the most important one. Take off the pen cap and hold it in such a way that you can read the dose picker and easily grasp the button on the plunger with your thumb. In the manner your doctor has shown you, insert the needle through your skin at the location you've chosen. The angle between the pen and your body should be roughly 90 degrees straight. The smooth plastic tip of the pen needles will be softly rubbed against your skin, and the tip of the needle ought to be completely under the skin. As the Ozempic is injected beneath the skin, squeeze the plunger switch on the pen's back while keeping an eye out for the dose counter returning to 0. To ensure that the entire amount has been provided, give the needle around 6 seconds to inject. Don't leave the needle in your skin. The pen needle should be properly removed from the pen and disposed of away in a container designed for sharps. Put the Ozempic pen cap back on when you're finished. When you take your specified dose of Ozempic again on the same day the following week, it is now safe for you to put the pen away. It's usual to see a small amount of blood, and you can use your alcohol swab to apply compression to the area if necessary. Hope this video was helpful. Let us know in the comments section. Have you ever taken Ozempic? And if yes, then how was your first experience? If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till that, take care and goodbye.